What are the benefits of choosing an extended car warranty? Well, choosing an extended car warranty can give you some great advantages and peace of mind. Most importantly, protection from surprise repairs. An extended warranty covers unexpected mechanical or electrical issues that can pop up after the original warranty expires. So you won't have to worry about getting hit with a big repair bill. Having an extended warranty means you can drive with confidence, knowing that if something goes wrong, you're covered. It's like having a safety net for your car. Also, with Warrantywise, the extended warranties come with extra benefits and services like roadside assistance, hire car reimbursement, and overnight accommodation costs. These perks give you that extra convenience when you need it most. Just make sure you carefully read the details to ensure it suits your needs and covers everything you want it to.